Okay, here we are. We're prepping some siding, and wearing a mask is a really good idea. This stuff has a lot of dust on it. Also, safety glasses for sure. So one thing I wanted to show you is the nailing. So we're re-nailing it with these nice nails, which I've mentioned a few times. Let me show you. They have a blunt end. They're ridged, so they stay in nice. They're nice and thin, and they're galvanized. So the thing is, you need to stabilize the siding. If you look at this, see it moving. It can't be moving, or these things are just going to get worse. So it all needs to be stabilized and then caulked. And down here, and we've done all this over here. The other thing I wanted to mention was the original nails were the square nails. And you can see how big they are compared to these nails. And the problem was, I mean, they're huge nails. But they were able to get them in, and I'll pull one out. Well, I have some out already. I just have to grab them. But they're huge nails, but the problem is on the ends, that's where it's a big problem, because it really wants to split. Maybe when the lumber was newer. Here's the difference. Here's the original nails, and here's the nails that I'm putting in. So massive difference. So I can get away with putting it in an area like this, really close to the split, whereas I could never get this thing in. This thing would just shatter that wood. And they are, this is back when the square nails, they have no ridges in them, and they're tapered, so they tend to, if there's a lot of movement, they will come out. But the thing is, they nail things so good they don't. The problem is these ends. That's the problem, because it's split and broke away in time. Might have even done it originally when they put them in. So we have stuff like this. So this has to be re-nailed, and then we caulk it. All the nail heads, we're caulking all the nail heads, all the joints. We don't want more. We want to protect them from rusting, even though the new ones are galvanized. The old ones are not. But either way, we want to protect both of them. So re-nailing the siding, in my eyes, is very, very important. Step number one in getting a solid finish.